Good noon to everyone. This is Dr. D. Kutika, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications, Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. Today, we are going to add up with a new and interesting chapter in our playlist. The title is Revitalizing the Brand. What I mean by revitalizing the brand is nothing but when your brand performance declines in your market, that is your market share for your brand is very less, automatically we have to take some more steps to improve the market share. So for on that particular stage, what we have to do is we have to make a strategic process of updating a brand messaging, and you have to position to the state of relevant in the market and regain your market shares and also to attract your new customers. For this purpose, we are going to take the term of your revitalizing of the brand. So here what may be the strategies which can be involved in your revitalization of your brand is nothing but one is you are updating the packaging and advertising, then creating a new mission and then expanding the product portfolio. So this is the main strategies which you are going to follow in revitalizing of the brand. So what are the best examples we can quote in case of your revitalizing is your old spice. Say for example, the old spice is not concentrating on the younger audience previously. So they went for many campaigns and automatically they improved their market share and they targeted the audience. So that is your old spice. And next one is your Mountain Dew. So what happened in your Mountain Dew is they have the slogan of do the dew. So here they targeted to the marketed audience. So automatically the Mountain Dew has been improved with the market share. So here they took the step of your revitalization through their repositioning in the market. And then take the example of your Apple. The Apple, they went for an iconic products in your electronic products like your tab and as well as your iPad. So this is the best example where they have captured a big market for your Apple brands, and they have a iconic, not only the iconic products, even the iconic customers also. And then Netflix. Here the Netflix, what they have done is they went with from the DVD buying mail services to your dominant streaming services in the market. Okay. So, what may be the pros and cons related to your brand revitalization in the market? Why you want to go for your revitalization? So, what I'll tell you what are the pros as well as the cons in your revitalization. So, the pros, it may be the advantages, may be we have an increased market relevance in your revitalization. And then next one is you're attracting your new customers. So, new customers, more number of customers will be attracted, and then we are going to boost the market share and also the revenue, and then we are enhancing the brand equity in the market. As we discussed enough about your brand equity, I think you will be able to understand what you mean by brand equity also. So we are enhancing the brand equity in the market and we are going to sustain the competitive advantage of the particular product. Here what happens is we are maintaining the existing customers as well as we are going to add it with new customers in the market. So that is your pros or the advantages regarding your revitalization of the brand. And next one is your cons, that is your disadvantages of your market is one is your high cost. Again, when you shift from you are already in your decline position, so we have to invest more for this particular repositioning in the market. And then the risk of alienating your existing customers may be occurring at some cases. That is also mostly possible. You may even lose your loyal customers who may be preferring only to your particular brand and no change will be accepted from their part. So that happens in your existing customers. And then resistance to change. So we are totally taking a new risk, higher risk in your here. It is not a moderate, it is a higher risk where we have to maintain the existing as well as we have to improve more number of your customers also. So that happens in case of your revitalizing the brand. And then potential for the failure is also possible in case of your revitalization of. So in brief, when we are thinking about your revitalization of your brand, we have to consider all these main factors. That is, one is your keep your focus groups for your revitalizing of your brands, particularly to maintain your existing customers as well as to attract your new customers. And then next step what we can do is we can focus on your younger customers also. And then next one is you have to revamp your messages, and also you have to implement awareness about your products which you are going to launch. That is the changes or the reinforcement what you are going to implement in your product. It has to be well known to your existing customers, and also the product champions can be given here with your good importance. So these are all the main briefing which I can tell you about your revitalization. Keep in touch with more for your more videos. Thank you.